Hello everyone, the Robotic Extremer back again, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make an Arduino controlled radar. So in this project we'll be using two development environments, one which is the Arduino IDE and the other one will be processing, which we use Java to code the GUI. So for this project we'll be using an ultrasonic sensor, a servo motor and an Arduino. Basically you can use any Arduino that's available, but in my case I have the Arduino Mega, so I'm using that today. Let's start by connecting the ultrasonic sensor. So the trig pin goes to digital pin 2 on the Arduino and the echo pin goes to digital pin 3 on the Arduino. The next thing is quite obvious. The VCC pin on the ultrasonic sensor would go to the VCC on the Arduino, and likewise the GND pin on the ultrasonic sensor would go to the GND pin on the Arduino. So next thing will be the servo motor. That's really simple. The signal pin just goes to digital pin 9, and likewise the 5 volts and the GND on the servo motor goes to the Arduino likewise. So basically we are all set. So just now we have to glue the ultrasonic sensor to its mount and then screw it onto the servo motor, then apply some molding clay onto the servo motor and mount it on the table. Now we can go ahead and upload our code to the Arduino. So I'm inside my computer, and as you can see, once you downloaded the file from the link description, you'll be prompted with two folders, one the Arduino code and the other the processing code. So now we'll just open the Arduino code and then click on the radar.ini file. Once that's open, just go to the top left hand corner where it says tools, select your board, in my case the Arduino 2560, and the COM port, in my case it's COM9. Then we can just hit upload. Now it's uploading, so just can minimize this and then go back to the processing code, navigate inside, and you'll find the .pde file. Just open that. So once that's open, just can close this. The most important thing here is to change the COM value. So it says here COM7. In my case, if we go to the Arduino IDE, you can see it's COM9, so that's not correct, so we can have to just change that. We need to COM9 and then hit the play button on the top left hand corner, and voila, now it's displaying the radar on screen. Thank you so much guys for listening in. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, see you.